Building attraction and making people like you involves a combination of genuine behavior, positive qualities, and effective communication. Here are some tips to enhance your attractiveness and improve your likability. 1. Confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with a clear and confident voice. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Confidence is attractive. 2. Smile. Smile genuinely and frequently. A warm smile makes you approachable and creates a positive impression. 3. Active listening. Pay attention when others are speaking. Show genuine interest by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and responding appropriately. 4. Positivity. Maintain a positive attitude. Optimism is contagious and can make you more enjoyable to be around. 5. Authenticity. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive, and people appreciate sincerity. 6. Empathy. Show empathy by understanding and considering others' perspectives and feelings. Use phrases like, "I understand" or "I see where you're coming from" to express empathy. 7. Good sense of humor. Humor can break the ice and create a connection. Be lighthearted and willing to share a laugh. 8. Appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation. Acknowledge others' contributions and make them feel valued. 9. Personal grooming. Take care of your personal hygiene and grooming. A clean and well-presented appearance can boost your confidence and attractiveness. 10. Active lifestyle. Engage in activities you enjoy and that promote a healthy lifestyle. This can make you more interesting and energetic. 11. Respect. Treat others with respect and kindness. Respectful behavior fosters positive relationships. 12. Communication skills. Develop effective communication skills. Be clear, concise, and mindful of your tone and body language. 12. Open body language. Maintain open and relaxed body language. Avoid crossing your arms, which can signal defensiveness. 13. Remember names. Make an effort to remember people's names. Using someone's name shows that you value and respect them. 15. Help others. Offer help when appropriate. Being helpful and considerate creates a positive impression. 17. Be a good conversationalist. Be a good listener and contribute to conversations thoughtfully. Avoid dominating discussions or interrupting others. 18. Adaptability. Be adaptable and open-minded. Willingness to try new things and embrace change can make you more interesting. 18. Cultivate your passions. Pursue your interests and hobbies passionately. Enthusiasm is contagious. 19. Maintain boundaries. Respect personal boundaries and allow others the space they need. It shows consideration and maturity. 20. Continuous improvement. Work on personal growth and self-improvement. A commitment to growth is attractive. Remember, the key is to be genuine, treat others with kindness, and cultivate positive qualities. Building meaningful connections takes time, so be patient and focus on creating authentic relationships. A quick tip to be likable is to show genuine interest in others. Ask open-ended questions about their experiences, opinions, and interests. Listen actively and engage in the conversation with enthusiasm. People appreciate when they feel heard and understood, and demonstrating genuine curiosity fosters positive connections. A quick tip on what not to do to be likable is to avoid being overly self-centered or dominating conversations. Refrain from constantly talking about yourself without showing interest in others. People may find it off-putting if the interaction is one-sided. Instead, strive for a balanced conversation where you listen as much as you speak and show genuine interest in others' perspectives. Hope you found this useful. Do not forget to subscribe and see you next time.